Here are 3 hygiene tips for men. 1. Before brushing twice a day, make sure to floss at least once a day to just get out all the gunk in between your teeth. Especially at nighttime. I know for me, I wear retainers. I know it sucks. I hate wearing them, but my future me will thank me. So, if you have to wear retainers, please wear them. But anyway, floss at least once. 2. Do not drink, or at least try to limit things like soda that contain a lot of sugar, because drinking those consistently can damage your teeth, can have permanent spots, so you don't want to do that. 3. Cut your nails. Make sure they're clipped, they're not long, like where you could put nail polish on them. Nobody wants to sit next to somebody who has dirty nails. It's gross, it's disgusting. It's not pleasing. Nobody wants to grab your hand. Nobody wants to eat food with you. Just make sure they're cut, please. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button down below for more content just like this. These are 3 ways that are very basic and simple stuff that you can do overnight. And if you do them consistently enough, it'll have a huge impact.